Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner? Easy? What planet do you come from? Easy. Just watch how we turn this into this. All right, let's add it. Okay, first we're going to do the stuffing. We're going to dice up our red onions into the sausage, add cranberries, and then bread, of course, and get that going. And then, of course, ginger to top it off with. Good. And let it set and get it going. Meanwhile, root vegetables, carrots, parsnips, turnips, rutabaga. Looking good. All right, stuff that turkey. Now, this is a 15-pounder. And that's 1 pound of sausage plus all the others, and amazingly, perfectly fits. All right. In the oven, 325 for 3.5 hours. And keep it moist. You know the act. Okay, here we go. Out of the oven. Look at those beautiful vegetables. And then, voila. Little flyby here. Look at beautifully golden brown. Those vegetables didn't get burned at all. Look at that. Which is why you keep it down to 325, by the way. All right. Time to get on. Now this is going to be a honey ginger glaze. So we're going to use cornstarch in our roux. Take most of the ginger out, or at least half of it. And then, I added water. Let it settle down, and that becomes perfect. Okay, let's pull this off. We got the kale. Let's dress it up onto the palette of food. Absolutely gorgeous. Gravy time. I don't know why they say gravy is gravy, but add wine. Add your roux, that's a flour roux, and then let her bubble down, bubble down, bubble down. And then, of course, you want to strain it through a colander, otherwise, it won't work. And then, voila, perfect gravy every time. Who says turkey dinner isn't easy to make? Thanksgiving is a wonderful dinner, and very easy to make. All the fixins, all the treats, a glaze and a gravy. What more? Oh yeah, dessert. Key lime cheesecake with a black cherry jam. And of course, coffee. Thanks for watching. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time.